Hydration and prevention from direct sunlight are important to prevent heat stroke during hot weather. You can also use essential oil for heat strokes. What do you hate the most about summers? The most common answer would be skyrocketing temperature and heat wave. Unlike pleasing winter afternoons, daytime in the summer season is scary. It is always better to be indoors during the day when the sun is at its peak. Most people suffer from heat stroke, which is triggered by the heat wave. Heat stroke symptoms include a sudden rise in body temperature to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. If the body temperature touches 107 degrees Fahrenheit, it indicates that the condition is serious and the person requires immediate medical aid. In the worst case, heat stroke may even lead to severe organ damage or death. Staying cool with cooling foods and drinks is the key to beating the heat. Besides, there are some essential oils for heat exhaustion that we will be telling you about in this video. Heat stroke symptoms and causes. The main causes of heat stroke are exposure to high temperatures for longer periods and dehydration, which occurs when a person doesn't drink water despite being exposed to the heat. It is very important to avoid these situations, or else it may trigger heat stroke, which is characterized by these signs and symptoms: unconsciousness, nausea, profuse sweating, increased heart rate, seizure, skin redness. You must prevent staying out in the direct sun during summers. Also, consume cooling foods to combat heat stroke. Essential oils for heat exhaustion. Alternatively, Ayurvedic herbs and essential oils are also proven home remedies to prevent heat stroke. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus essential oil has cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. It improves blood circulation by opening up the blood vessels to lower body temperature and combat heat stroke. Add some drops to your bath water and shower with it. You can also spray this oil diluted with water on your bedsheet and pillows while sleeping. Peppermint oil. We all know about the exceptional cooling and soothing properties of peppermint essential oil. We all need our bodies to remain cool to beat the heat. Also, heat wave would affect your energy levels, making you dehydrated and nauseous. Peppermint oil with its refreshing fragrance is a great solution to prevent heat stroke during hot weather. Put some drops in your body lotion and apply some on your hands, neck, and feet to alleviate sunstroke and heat exhaustion. You may not know that mint oil also helps in weight loss. Sandalwood oil. Looking for heat stroke home remedies? Sandalwood oil is the best. Sandalwood has the power to regulate the heating mechanism in the body by controlling profuse sweating. It has got a pleasant fragrance which would also lighten and brighten up your mood by calming the nerves. Whenever you feel low, just smell this oil. Lavender oil. Lavender oil has got innumerable health benefits, including heat stroke. It is the first choice of aromatherapists for the cooling and relaxing effects it brings. Apply this oil mixed with a carrier oil or diluted with water on your hands, palms, or temples to get rid of the sluggishness and lethargy. It also soothes sunburns.